Hello guys, Steven Dexter. Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to do two recaps in a row for HKD and AMTD. AMTD will be the sympathy play for HKD as a Chinese IPO play, and also I'll be doing another video about GME and AMC, all the meme stocks all together. So there will be two sections about in those two videos of recaps. And before I start this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe, and let's get into it. So let's start with BBBY. This one started spike back in 4th, and after it did this consolidation right about here around August 8th, and after its gap down, once it breaks through that support, that will be a good short from the 10 to 11 to the $8-ish area. It took a couple days to crack. He didn't really crack down because there were support around 820, and it held the support around 870 and 870 again. It's forming higher low. So eventually it took out that massive resistance area around 1150-ish. That's where it started went parabolic from there. So according to my experience trading these type of charts on meme stocks, they normally get tons of volume and following by each day after its green day. So every single day you will gain more volume than the previous day. After that, you will see a massive parabolic. After parabolic, you will see a decent consolidation. That's where it favors short sellers. So this is not the first time that we see BBBY goes up into a parabolic. Normally on these type of meme stocks, they trade tons of volume, and so it's pretty liquid. You can size in as much as you want. You will not break the chart pattern compared to HKD. So since we've been trading this for a couple times, we have identified some of the solid resistance area on BBBY. One's around 25, one's around 30. So I would probably choose the round area, which will be $30 area. Right now we're around 16.1. So hopefully after today's volume, we can get a decent gap up, push up to the upper 20s, and then that will be a decent short. And from my personal advice, I would not suggest going to the front side, sizing into the consolidation. I would wait until the consolidation breaks down, because these type of meme stocks are really risky in terms of shorting in the front side. Never try to short into a parabolic when the stock is going up. Either you short in the consolidation with really small size, or you short with full size after the breakdown. So on BBBY, this one will be a very solid play after AMTD. So hopefully you can generate a decent opportunity, and also if I can catch it alive, that would be great. So that be BBBY. This is AMC. AMC is acting a little bit different compared to BBBY. It tested that 27.5 area twice, and it's not behaving that well compared to the Bed Bath & Beyond. It's because, first of all, when we're looking at AMC, it doesn't have nearly enough range compared to BBBY. This one started spike around 4, I would assume. Yep, 6. AMC started spike around 16-ish. So this one's almost tripled from the bottom. AMC, it's not even doubling from the bottom. So in terms of range, AMC is much worse compared to BBBY, and we have this massive resistance in the historical chart around the 30. The consistent resistance around 35, and one of the top around here, which will be 35. So that $30 area will be the high of that resistance, and if you go into this resistance chart, the consolidation area is around 28 to 30. So shorting to 27, it's not that bad because there's massive resistance. But of course, there's no range. If there's no range, the stock doesn't drop that much. Whenever you see a stock loses momentum, it drops about 20 to 30% in 2 days. This one only dropped about 20%. Yep, and it's going back and forth and it's neutralizing itself. If you compare AMC and BBBY, BBBY definitely has much more reward compared to MC. So I would focus on the momentum shift on the Bed Bath & Beyond. Hopefully you can get a decent consolidation and you can get a solid breakdown on this ticker. This one will eventually come down. I don't think it's going to surpass that massive resistance around 30. Okay, so that will be the meme stock, and also we have another one which will be MEGL. A lot of IPO tickers that's currently spiking. They have no historical chart, no resistance or whatsoever, and when they trade really low volume, try to not size it into the front side. MEGL, if you take a look at the overall chart, the stock went from 250 to almost $8-ish area, and after the IPO, the stock is trading really low volume. As you can see, it's only trading about 900k volume a day. So these type of volume is not ideal, and also you already performed it's consistently downtrending from the top. And this type of chart normally becomes really difficult to short on the first screen day. So MEGL, this one is not very ideal. Also, it's on SSR and borrow is relatively cheap. I would say MEGL will likely to gap up, push into probably 30, 40, consolidates and dies from there. And we'll see how it goes. And also we have INKT. This is also an IPO play. This one didn't really trade enough volume compared to MEGL, so this one will be on watch. In the upcoming days, BBBY, MEGL, those will be momentum shift towards the downside in about 1 or 2 days, so it will be pretty profitable in the future. So those are all the recaps for this videos, and hopefully it's really helpful. And also make sure to be really careful sizing correctly into those meme plays. They do generate a large amount of reward, but also they do include a large amount of risk. So that will be the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.